In this video, I'm going to quickly cover 10 top webinar marketing applications to boost conversions, sales and profits. So diving straight in and in no particular order, number 10, real-time active offers display. Inject in real-time, add to cart, buy now and any other clickable calls to action buttons right inside your attendees webinar window. So attendees no longer are forced to fumble around with copying and pasting your URL link or struggling to type the link in their address bar to get to your order page. You can even display an irresistible image of your product or service to get more click-throughs. Switching in and out as many offers as you like during your live presentation can be done with just a simple click of the button. Number 9, urgency countdown timer display. Add countdown timers to your real-time offers during your live broadcast to inject urgency. Countdown timers are proven sales tools that have been used for years by companies such as QVC. This tool can increase opt-ins and sales by creating a sense of urgency that there's only a very limited time to act. Number 8, active units display. As with QVC, this unit display countdown tool tells your attendees how many units of your webinar special offer are remaining in real time. It compels more of your attendees to make a decision or face losing the chance of getting your webinar special offer at the very best price possible. We are all psychologically programmed to act on this compulsion simply because of our fear of loss in missing out on a great bargain. Scarcity is a powerful motivator. Countdown displays and active units are two very powerful tools for increasing conversions and sales on webinars. Number 7, pay to register for a webinar. Want to set up a webinar that attendees must pay in order to register? Perhaps you want to set up a live consulting session or teach a class. No problem. This tool allows you to set up your preferred payment gateway, whether that's PayPal, ClickBank, Infusionsoft, iShopping cart or your own merchant account. In order to register, a person would first have to complete the payment process to make the required payment before they can actually register their information to attend your event. This is one of the hottest trends in webinars right now. Registrants that pay to attend have higher show rates and higher buy rates. Number 6, one-click sign-up technology. What are the benefits of this tool? Simple, a 100% registration rate. Since there's no need to sign up anywhere or to complete a form, every person clicking on your link will become instantly a registrant of your webinar. The fact is we are all super busy and constantly on the move. Adding registration forms is just adding an additional layer of inconvenience for web visitors who might not have time to complete the process or who are simply undecided if to register or not. One-click registration does away with all that, so you have a much higher webinar opt-in rate. Number 5, feedback flow and live alerts. Social proof can be incredibly powerful, especially in a buying decision situation. With this tool, you can display an attendee's comments and feedback right on the webinar window where your whole audience can see it. For example, an existing customer leaves a fantastic comment of their experience with your product or service. You can post that comment right on the webinar window for everyone to see. You can even automatically inject live alerts. For example, when someone buys your special webinar product offer, a new buyer alert can be displayed live during the broadcast, letting other attendees know that another unit has just been sold. This is a great motivator to encourage others to take up on your webinar offer. Number 4, automatic record and replay on demand. You can have the option of your live webinar broadcast instantly recorded and posted on both YouTube and Google+. In fact, with this tool, you can stream in real-time broadcast, maximizing your potential audience reach and ensuring that you max out on attendees. Number 3, replica replays. This tool allows you to play your webinar recordings exactly as they happened live. This is not the same as plain vanilla webinar recordings mentioned earlier. Replica replays are presented as an actual live webinar room, just like a live presentation. It includes the original community chat, perfectly synchronized to the webinar recording. It can also include all the interactive tools that I mentioned, such as feedback flow and buyer alerts. This is your perfect evergreen webinar system built in and ready to deploy for automated sales and new customers. Number 2, Video Engine for hybrid webinars. This tool gives you the power to broadcast both live segments of your webinar with pre-recorded segments, and the switch between the two happens seamlessly so your audience won't even notice. On a good webinar, you're going to demonstrate, you're going to teach, you're going to interact and make offers, and ultimately sell things. Imagine being able to craft and present as a live broadcast your perfect, highly polished demonstration with no errors or technical problems, or your best sales offers, pitch and closes with no mistakes. With Video Engine, you can now repeat that perfect presentation on every encore webinar you do, and at the end, jump in for the live Q&A and your audience won't even notice. Perhaps you're just getting your feet wet with webinars. Video Engine can work well for those who would prefer to build up some confidence before doing the whole webinar presentation live. And number 1, Jams on Demand Marketplace. If you like the idea of getting access to a brand new stream of traffic, a growing tribe of consumers who love learning and buying from webinars, then this is for you. When you set up a new webinar for live broadcasting, your upcoming webinar can be added to the Jams on Demand Marketplace. The Jams on Demand Marketplace is a new platform for hosting details about your new upcoming webinars and where people can sign up or watch a live or recorded webinar replay. This is potentially another great source of free traffic, webinar attendees, and new customers of your product or service. So there you have it, a quick rundown of 10 powerful webinar marketing applications that help to boost opt-ins, conversions, sales and profits from live and recorded webinars. That just leaves me to say, if you like this video and the content, please share, press the like button and comment below. To your webinar success.